sometimes the best moments in life are the simplest ones. Far away from the noise of the city, there's a place where time moves slower. The sound of birds, the gentle wind, and the calm of nature. This is true living. No stress, no rush, just simple moments that bring real happiness. Waking up early, enjoying fresh air, and living close to nature. Sometimes we forget how beautiful life can be when we slow down. This peaceful countryside reminds us what truly matters. Not money, not fame, but peace and simple joy. Take a moment, breathe, and enjoy the beauty of life.